If your crane is equipped with the Stellar CDT technology, we'll cover those features now. The Stellar CDT is a proprietary collection of revolutionary industry-first features that control and power your crane. The CDT-equipped cranes offer 3 distinct features not currently seen on any other mechanics crane in the market today. The Stellar CDT-equipped cranes will engage and communicate with you, the crane operator, by using multiple sensory indicators when approaching maximum capacity. This will include the use of color LED lights and pulsating vibrations. The Stellar CDT control system will also allow you to go into boost mode and operate at nearly 120% of its normal operating capacity for a short period of time. The third feature of the Stellar CDT-equipped cranes is the ability to function in safety mode when a safety feature is damaged or malfunctions. This will be explained further in just a moment. While operating the crane, you will notice the green light illuminated on the handheld when operating in normal mode with a load under the rated capacity. The green light indicates all systems are operating properly and under normal conditions. If during your lift you start to approach full capacity or an overload situation, the Stellar CDT will start to alert you. The handheld control will illuminate the yellow light for 80% capacity, and the handheld will start to vibrate. When you reach 90% of rated capacity, the red light will illuminate and cyclical vibrations will start shaking the handheld to indicate nearing the full capacity of the crane. If at 100% of rated capacity, or if overload is reached, the lights will start to flash. In addition, the cyclical vibrations will increase in frequency in the handheld controller to ensure that you are aware of the approaching overload. This is especially useful when keeping an eye on the load is very critical. At this time, the crane will go into overload shutdown mode. Since you have now reached maximum standard capacity, you have 3 options. You can set the load down, you can move the load closer to the center line of the crane, or you can activate the Stellar exclusive CDT boost function. The Stellar CDT equipped crane gives you the option to activate the boost mode on your crane, which allows it to operate at 118% of its rated capacity for 30 seconds. This will alleviate having to set the load down to reposition the truck. To activate the boost mode, first press and hold the boost button for 5 seconds. The button is located on the right side of the handheld controller. You will know the boost mode is activated by an indicator light located near the boost button. You now have 30 seconds of boosted capacity to continue your lift. At the end of 30 seconds, the crane will return to its normal operating mode. You must wait 15 seconds before the boost mode can be activated again, at which time you must hold the boost button for 5 seconds to activate it. You can use the boost mode an unlimited number of times. The Stellar CDT cranes that are equipped with the boost mode require an enhanced capacity chart that shows standard capacity and boosted capacity. It is the responsibility of the operator to become familiar with the capacity chart that comes with the Stellar CDT equipped crane. The Stellar CDT equipped cranes offer a safe mode feature. If a capacity monitoring device fails to operate correctly, the crane will enter the safe mode. The safe mode will allow the operation of the crane at a reduced speed until the safety device is repaired, replaced, or returns to proper working order. The crane will also indicate the overload device fault to the operator via diagnostic lights located on the Stellar CDT crane receiver. Refer to the owner's manual for an error code legend. Occasionally, the batteries in the handheld transmitter will need to be changed. The AA alkaline batteries are located in the handheld portion of the radio transmitter. Release the button on the bottom and slide the battery holder out. Replace the batteries, paying attention to which direction the positive and negative ends of the batteries should face, then return the holder back into the handheld transmitter until the button latches. The remote control handle is equipped with a magnet. This helps the operator place it in a safe spot off the ground while working on the job, and helps to ensure safe storage when not in use. The best place to store the remote handle when not in use is in the cab of the truck, but another common and acceptable place is inside the crane compartment. If you do choose to store it in the compartment, make sure you use the magnet and stick it to the compartment wall to keep it from bouncing around when in transit. If the handheld transmitter has a system problem that makes the radio function unusable, then use of the backup cord may be necessary. Locate the backup control cord. Most likely it's in the crane compartment or in the cab behind the seat. Remove the battery holder from the remote handle and place the similar looking end of the backup cord in the bottom of the transmitter handle. The other end of the backup cord will then attach to the connector currently used by the antenna on the control receiver. The control receiver is located on the back of the crane mast.